Are you struggling to put together a portfolio that stands out to brands? In this video, I'm guiding you through a step-by-step on how to build an impressive portfolio on Canva, starting from a template and turning it into a full professional website. Hi, I'm Taya. I'm a travel content creator, and I post weekly videos inspiring other content creators how to elevate their brand, land paid collabs, and travel more. Before we get into the design, it's important to know that having a UGC portfolio is crucial to helping you landing paid UGC collabs. This not only shows your experience, but it shows that you're professional and that you're prepared when communicating with brands. The goal of your portfolio is to give the brand a visual on what they can create or what content they can have by working with you. While I do have the Pro Canva features, I was able to create my portfolio for free on Canva. So today I'm going to walk you through how to create your own so that you can feel confident when communicating with brands. Let's get started by heading over to Canva, and from there we are going to go to the templates section right here and then type in portfolio. If you wanted to be specific, you could type in a certain type of portfolio, or we could even try UGC portfolio. So as you can see, there's tons of UGC creator portfolios that we can base this off of. I want to try to keep it free if possible. There's a lot of different options. However, I want to specifically look for the ones that say website. The goal of making your UGC portfolio a website is so that you can easily share it with brands. So even though most of them are pro, I do see this one says website. So I'm going to customize this template. Don't worry, we can customize everything later. Right now we're just focusing on the layout instead of the colors and stuff. So once you've selected your template, it's time to add your first page. I like to create a cover page. I'm going to change these pages to like a white color to fix with my brand. I like to keep the cover page very simple. You could do your brand fonts. Let's just put your name as the subtext. You can always add shadows and other cool effects to your text if you want to. But I like to do like this, something simple. You could even, if you wanted to, go to elements and type in background, and then you can see different graphics that you could add on to it just to give it some texture or depth. So if I wanted to do that, I could do like this. See, and it kind of gives it this gritty feel. Do like your Instagram name. What I like to do, since this is a website, is every time you mention your socials, you want to link it. So now the about me. You could either keep it as about me or change it to something that's a little more original to you, or you could ask a question. I always find it helpful to ask an intriguing question. Why create UGC? Put it off to the side. And then here's where I'll write information about myself, why I create UGC, what type of content I create, and then my socials. You don't want to talk their head off. So you could put 2 to 3 short paragraphs. One, introducing yourself, blank, creator, what do you do? What do you specialize in as a creator? I started creating UGC because, what is your why you create user-generated content, and then something that sets you apart from other creators. So what is your unique value factor? I specialize in blank and always make sure blank. Then at the end you want to make a call to action, let's work together, or check out my work below. Now, if I wanted to link my socials, I would just do like @traveling.taya, hit link, paste, and then it comes up there. So if I were to click it, it would take you to my Instagram. And then later on, when you want to add some oomph, you can go to elements and type in Instagram logo. The free ones are not cute. We're just gonna make this YouTube because I don't like how the other ones look. And then with certain elements, you can change the color. So if I wanted it to be my brand colors, I could make it like brown, and then the inside would be that tan color. That's how it would look. Oh, and just in case you're wondering, adding a photo of yourself does bring a personal touch and a personal aspect to it. So I would definitely recommend doing that. I know you might not want to, but it does help out in the end. Now here comes the fun part, adding examples of your work. You're just going to upload your content directly into Canva and then drag it into your template. You can embed videos or add images that showcase your UGC skills. So if you do not have any experience, here's when you can upload aesthetically pleasing videos that you have created that you are proud of. Maybe you could do a certain category and do like skincare, food and drink, and then lifestyle. So you could either do categories like this to show your work, or you could do categories like unboxing, product reviews, so that they can see what your content looks like for those types of videos. What I have on my portfolio is I just did an iPhone mock-up, and then I just pick a phone. And then I have about 4 videos on each slide, but you can always tailor this to you. For the sake of the video, I'll just do 3. I'll just pick video that I already have on here. So you want the video to upload. When you upload a video, you go to the playback setting and then turn off video will play automatically, because you don't want them to open up your portfolio and then all these videos start playing and it just bombards. That's too much. You want them to be able to click play on the video and then listen to it that way. So I just marked the playback. I'm going to try to fit this so that it will fit into the iPhone. All you're gonna do from there is position it backwards and bada bing bada. So now it looks like this video is in the iPhone. So if I were to do that with a few other videos I have, you just click on upload it, turn off the playback, play automatically, shrink it down to the size of the iPhone. You can always pinch it in, drag it down, and position backwards. Perfect. So now when the brands scroll through, they'll see, oh, she has videos, and then they can play them as they go. I also find it helpful to put a short little caption under the video. You could either put what it is that you're reviewing, like the brand name, or you could put the product or the type of video. If you're building your profile as we go, drop a comment below and let me know which page you're working on right now. You definitely want to show some pictures. So you could frame and then go to all the frames and then just add the pictures you have taken for brands. On my portfolio, I have like a collage, what I'm doing now, of just different images that are different sizes that take up the whole entire page, just because I think it looks cool. But you could literally do this however you'd want to. Let me just copy and paste. So I find it easier to do the frames first, because then you can just add the pictures that you want. And then I would just go in the same way I did the videos and add a picture. So it would be like this, but with your UGC pictures, of course. So this is like how it would look completed. So see, it's kind of cool when you have the whole collage appeal. You want to make sure to also create a dedicated page for client testimonials. If you've worked with brands before, ask them for a quote on your performance, and then you can add this. This builds trust and helps convince potential clients. Testimonials here. I have a title. I meant to put a title for this one too. So for the photos, you would just do a UGC photos title. Those. And then testimonials. Then you would just add, whether it's pictures or just text of what clients say regarding your work. The same way we added the pictures to the other side. Get a circular frame, and I will upload the brands. If I did a collab with Canva, I would type in Canva logo. I have photo, yeah. We are going to create our services offered, UGC services. And then here I like to add a picture of myself right here in the corner, just to give them another feel of me as a creator. I'm just doing random things. I wouldn't put these pictures. And then you can add in all of your services. So you can either do it aesthetically and then create multiple boxes and list each service in a box, or you could create one big box and then list all your services that way. And by services, I mean things like unboxing videos, lifestyle demos, product photos, things like that. And then here you could also even write a blurb if you want to about the type of content that you do create, more specifics like the formatting that you do, whether it's vertical or horizontal. If you have a drone that you use, you can list the equipment, etc. As you can see, I've done all of this so far with the free version of Canva. So there's a lot that you can do using Canva's free services. One more page that is a call to action and pretty much wraps up your portfolio. So you can do a background with a picture of you again, because we want to make this as personable as possible. And then you could do a call to action. And then after that, you want to add a little blurb. I'm so excited to blah. Together we can make your brand do this, and then another call to action. And then I also have at the end, because one more time so that they don't have to go back and click through, I have the link to my website, and then I have my email. And then the same as I did my Instagram, you can just go through and link it here so that they can easily click that, or they can easily respond to me in email. Let me show y'all animations real quick. The portfolio I used as a template already had animations on, but if you wanted to change how this would come up, you would just go to animations, page animations, text animations. You could also do picture animations, but I think what the template had before was perfect. Once you have gone through and everything looks nice, you are going to do the most crucial step. One of Canva's best features is the ability to turn your portfolio into a live website. Turning this into a website will allow brands to be able to click and play your videos. You could even go and preview to see how it would look. And then as you can see, people can just play as they go. And then you could see how it would look on a mobile phone. So if you don't resize it on mobile, this is how it looks. If you do resize on mobile, it looks like this. I don't like that. We'll just keep it as is. So then you will go here and click publish website. So I've already done these before. YouTube demo UGC, in case I do more. And then you can publish, and then it prepares. Then after that, you can click view website, and then you can see on here that my website is complete. Not fully, but you get the gist. So anyone who clicks it can go and play your videos. And there you have it, a fully customizable, interactable, and aesthetically pleasing UGC portfolio. Now you're ready to start pitching and communicating with brands confidently, knowing that you have a strong portfolio to truly represent your work. Pro tip, do not forget to keep updating it with your new work and new testimonials as you go to help build up that portfolio. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more videos, and share this with a friend. I'll see you next week.